Hey, today I have worked upon something that can actually blow your mind. So I have built an AI agent that can actually qualify your leads. Let me just show you in 2 minutes. So here you can see there's a form, and this form is usually available on the websites or maybe on some other platforms, right? So how the manual process looks like. Whenever someone fill up this form, we have to manually check whether it is a good lead, it qualifies our certain criteria or not, right? And it usually take a lot of research work and kind of monotonous work to repetitive check and qualify the particular lead. So what if I say I have automate this process using the agents? So here I can show you. So this is the workflow. I have built this workflow on the Gumloops. I have used Typeform to create a form and input the information. Then I extract the information, domain, name, and email IDs. Then using the web research and LinkedIn scraper, I set up the criteria and then divide the leads into two different tables on two different platforms, that is Etio and Airtable. So let me show you the processing. So we are filling up the form. Here we need to write actual company URL. So I'm writing and it's done. Now I go to my workflow and run the system. It will take some time. So here you can see it is doing the web research. So if you don't have a Gumloop account and you are interested in trying out these kind of agents, then you can make your own account. Initially it will provide you 1000 credits, and if you also try out their tutorial, it will provide you another 1000 credit. So initially you can use their 2000 free credits. So here you can see it is deciding the else path or if path. And if I show you the inputs here, so you can see it has actually given me the citations, given me the LinkedIn profiles of these companies with a certain kind of reasoning. And yeah, so now we will check on the Etio and Airtable whether this lead as per our certain criteria. So we have set the criteria using this research prompt here, and we get the lead or not. Let's see. So this is my Etio table. I am going to refresh it. So it shows no records, but if I refresh this, so here you can see the lead of Mario Sane. Yeah. So this is how you can save lot of your manual work by automating these workflows. Now, let me just take you step by step how I have built this workflow so that it can help you also to build the similar one. So first, for this Typeform, I actually click on this, write Typeform, and click on Submission Reader. So it will give you something like this. But since I already have, then I'll use this. Initially, it can ask for the sign-in thing. So first you need to go to Typeform, sign up on this platform, integrate this with Gumloop, and you're good to go. Currently, I'm deleting this. So yes. So here you need to select my workflow and which kind of form you are going to use. So since I have named my form as lead qualification, so I'm going to use this. If you have written some other name, you can use that. Then I'm going to select the fields that I want to use here. So I want company URL and contact. Then I want to extract the domain of this company using this particular node. So what I will do is I will use extract data. So here I'll use the extract data. I'll click on this and something similar will come up, right? Then I will connect this particular thing with extract domain, and I'm able to see these particular columns. Then I'll just drag this company URL list to extract form, and then on the extract list I will put up the name as domain, type as text, description as extract only domain name, and I will also instruct the AI how the domain name looks like, that is openai. Okay. After that, I select the AI model, that is kind of a brain that initiates the process, right? So here I'm using the 4.1 mini. I run the similar process. What you can do is you can also duplicate this and do the similar process for the email. So now instead of company, I am using the contact list here, and then in the extract list, I am extracting full name, text, person's full name, and giving them the example. So here you can have a look. After that, I'm connecting this with my form, and then after extracting both domain and contact list, now it's time to do the web research. So here I am I'm searching the web research tool, AI web research. So here you can just click and you will get the similar thing. Once we get this, we will connect again with all three of them, and then we are able to see these kind of options. First, we'll upload our company URL list and write a research prompt. So here I'm writing, exactly I'm instructing the AI that you are using the given company website, and for the corresponding LinkedIn profile, you have to search for the corresponding LinkedIn profile. Now, once we instruct the AI to do this, I am using a LinkedIn scraper to scrape my information. So here, I am connecting, once I connected this, I get the LinkedIn profile, citation, and reasoning. And now I am putting the LinkedIn profile link into this LinkedIn scraper link, and instructing the AI to scrape these kind of things like company name, description, industry, website, size range, founded year, company type, headquarters. And once I get these information, I run the if else statement. So now have a deeper look into the reasoning part. So here I have actually given the criteria. You can see I have instructed the AI that your task is to determine if the lead is qualified or not on the basis of 3 criteria. It should be a tech and AI related company. It should not more than have 10 employees, and it should be based in United States. So if the user who put up any information matches this 3 criteria, it will go to if statement, and if it's not, then it will go to else statement. So in the if statement, I have connected it with the ATU table. So to connect it with the ATU table also, you have to create a account here. You need to sign up here and then integrate it with the Gumloops. So you will get this with the kind of creating a subflow. Here you will get if else flow basics. So once you click over that, you are able to create these things. So now after connecting the scraper and AI agent with the if else statement, we are stating that if the lead matches the criteria, it will go into ATU, and if not, then it will go into the Airtable. So in the Airtable and ATU, we are specifying what exactly information we need, like a full name, domain list, email list, if response list, and same thing in the else. And once we click on the run statement, it will use certain credits and run our workflow. So this is how we are able to build this AI agentic workflow that will be very helpful in reducing the monotonous task and repetitive task. So if you are also interested in making such kind of workflows, and if you find this useful, then comment below, and I will share this workflow link with you. You can use that in your platform. Thank you. So, this is an overview to tell you how we can automate our processes. In the coming videos, I'm going to explain the things in a very detailed manner, like a step by step. So, stay tuned with me. Thank you.